Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to look at the home menu. And one of the things that you'll notice right away about Microsoft PowerPoint is that it probably looks similar to some of the other Microsoft applications that you might use frequently. For example, if you were to look at Microsoft Word, you'll see many of the same menu items, and you'll also see a ribbon that looks very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And that means then that many of the same features that you're already using in other applications, you'll be able to use them in Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, you'll be able to cut and paste from your clipboard. For example, taking text from any place where you would go and copy that text means then that you can use the paste command to paste the text in. And of course, you'd have the option of using the right-click feature and then using the very same function. When it comes to cutting and pasting, Microsoft Office in general and PowerPoint in particular will allow you to see a preview of what you're about to cut and paste before you place it inside of your document. So just by hovering over one of the options, you'll be able to see exactly how it's going to look inside of your document and then choose the one that you will want to use. And what you can also do is copy and paste between documents. So for example, if we wanted to take what's in this entire text box and we were to click on the text box outline and we were to right click and then copy this entire text box, we could take the contents and then move them to an entirely different document. So for example, if we were to go to this area and then open a new document, we can come to an entirely blank page inside of that new document, right click to paste, and then paste that content into the new document, and you'll see the existing text box. So many of the functions on the home menu function in the very same way as they would any document. So for example, if you wanted to find a particular word inside of your document, if you click the find command, you'd then be able to write in what you're looking for and then find the content just as you would a written document in Microsoft Word. Now there's 6 sets of features inside of the home menu. There's the clipboard, which we have talked about, the slide menu, the font menu, the paragraph menu, the drawing menu, and the editing menu. Now the drawing menu is very similar to the insert menu because what you're doing is you're placing content inside of your PowerPoint document. Now, in the next video, we're going to take a look at the slide submenu to the home menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.